Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Happy Planner Lifestyle. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I am so excited about this new collection and I just couldn't wait to get this, and actually they did ship pretty fast, so that's always a plus. So let's dig into all these goodies. So I went ahead and picked up this Live Creatively black hat. I just love black and I love how simple the lettering is. Just a few touches of color, but basically just black, and I love how it's Velcro back here as well. So I thought that was so cute. I have the half sheets with this print on it and I just love it, and once I saw that it was going to be a phone case, I knew I had to get it. Then I went ahead and picked up this set of 3 enamel pins. I have quite the collection going on, so I was so excited to add these to it as well. I also picked up this tumbler, Create a Life You Love, and it is just going to be perfect for the summer. It's right around the corner, so I can't wait to fill this up and start drinking that water. I also picked up this black short sleeve shirt. I am in love with it. It is gonna go so well paired with the hat. I love it. This is in a medium, but it does look a little bit big, so I just hope it's not way too big. But I just loved this print so much that I just had to get it in the shirt as well. The last item that I picked up was this blue Women Support Women shirt. I just love the message behind this. I am all for it, and I just had to get this shirt. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to get it. Again, I got it in the medium. I think it's great that they started this whole new line. That way we can go ahead and represent all Happy Planner things, and especially this Women Support Women. I absolutely love this. Cannot wait to wear them, and I'll be sure to showcase everything over on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me over there. I will take pictures of all of this and you can see me actually wearing everything. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephany Happily Plants, and I'll see you next time.